Hey there, folks! Have you caught a glimpse of the new Beats Studio Buds Plus? They've been making quite a buzz lately, and today we're diving deep into whether this product is truly worth your hard-earned cash. But hold on, we won't be just mindlessly showering it with compliments. We're here to give you the full picture, positives and negatives included. So if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing. Without any more delay, let's jump right into it. Price and competition. Priced at $170, the Beats Studio Buds Plus offer consumers a range of attractive color options, including ivory, black, or gold, and a stylish, transparent variant. While this places them in the higher end of the true wireless earbud market, they are still more affordable compared to some of the most expensive models available, such as the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2. However, within their price range, the Studio Buds Plus face tough competition from numerous mid-range contenders. Notably, Beats itself offers an alternative with the fitness-focused Beats Fit Pro, which supports spatial audio with head tracking through Apple's H1 chip, also featured in the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Other notable options include the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which provide high-res audio on Samsung devices at a price of around $155, as well as the LDAC-compatible Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. When considering the Beats Studio Buds Plus, it's important to weigh their pricing against the competition and the features they offer. While they may not be the most expensive option available, there are compelling alternatives with various features and capabilities in the same price range. Design. While the Plus in the name doesn't bring any noticeable changes to the form factor, these small and slightly chunky earbuds, weighing in at 5 grams each, come nestled in a 49-gram pillbox-shaped charging case. The real showstopper here is the transparent colorway, allowing you to catch a glimpse of the internal components, which is truly a masterstroke and sure to turn heads. Our black and gold review sample, on the other hand, maintains its sleekness but lacks that eye-catching appeal. To ensure a secure and comfortable fit, the Beats Studio Buds Plus come with 4 sizes of eartips, catering to different ear shapes. During shorter listening sessions, I had no issues with how the buds felt in my ears. However, it's worth noting that after around 3 hours of continuous wear, I started to experience a slight ache in my tragus. The boxy shape of the earbuds made it a bit trickier to achieve an optimal seal, requiring some maneuvering. Once in place, though, stability was not an issue even during physical activities. In summary, the Beats Studio Buds Plus offer an attractive design, with the transparent variant stealing the spotlight. The availability of multiple eartip sizes ensures a customizable fit. Although extended wear may cause discomfort for some users, the choice is yours when it comes to balancing style and comfort. Features. The Beats Studio Buds Plus are incredibly easy to set up, seamlessly pairing with both Apple and Android devices through one-touch pairing. They offer ecosystem pairing across all Android/Chrome devices registered to your Google account and iCloud pairing with your Apple devices, which is a rare and welcome feature. However, without Apple's proprietary chips, some Apple integration limitations remain, such as restricted spatial audio and no head tracking. While the controls managed by depressible Beats buttons work well, customization options fall short compared to similar price alternatives. The Android app lacks functionality beyond Locate My Beats, and the iPhone settings provide slightly more control. Disappointingly, some common features like wear detection and Bluetooth multipoint are missing. Overall, the Studio Buds Plus excel in setup and compatibility, but have some limitations in customization and functionality. Sound. When it comes to sound quality, the Beats Studio Buds Plus impressively deliver a refined and polished listening experience. With increased driver venting, the sound is more airy and spacious, eliminating any muddiness and enhancing the mid-range clarity. The bass remains punchy with good sub-bass extension, while the mid-bass is tighter and more controlled, resulting in better representation of low-weighted stringed instruments. The improved internal positioning and dampening of the drivers inside the earphone shell make a noticeable difference. The treble is good, adding energy to lively tracks, and the soundstage is average as expected from in-ear headphones. While they may not be considered top-tier in terms of sound quality, it's important to recognize that the Studio Buds Plus perform exceptionally well within their price range. They strike a great balance with just the right amount of bass quantity, making them suitable for EDM, rap, hip-hop, and various genres. It's worth noting that Apple's intention is not to create an earphone under $200 that outperforms their higher-end models. Nonetheless, the Studio Buds Plus offer a competitive audio experience that will satisfy many music enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Beats Studio Buds Plus delivers satisfying audio performance and offer a user-friendly experience. They are well-suited for various music genres, provide competent noise cancellation, and boast impressive microphone capabilities, making them a suitable choice for everyday use. Additionally, their stylish design, particularly the transparent color option, adds to their appeal. However, the lack of important features and limited customization options hinder their overall potential, especially when compared to other earbuds in the same price range. The absence of Bluetooth multipoint wear detection and limited on-earbud controls are notable drawbacks. Furthermore, the Studio Buds Plus fail to excel in areas like noise cancellation, comfort, and sound quality, and they lack support for high-res audio. For iPhone users, investing a bit more in the Apple AirPods Pro 2 would be a wiser choice, as they offer superior features and performance. Non-Apple users, on the other hand, may find better value in alternatives like the Sony WF-1000XM4, which are available at a similar price point. Overall, while the Beats Studio Buds Plus show improvement over their predecessor, there are better options available for consumers seeking a more comprehensive and refined experience. And that's a wrap on today's video, where we covered all the essential details about the Beats Studio Buds Plus. While they offer a satisfying audio experience, comfortable fit, and impressive microphone performance, there are some reasons to hold back on purchasing this product. The limited customization options, absence of key features like Bluetooth multipoint and wear detection, and the fact that they don't excel in any particular area except sound quality may make you reconsider. Ultimately, the decision to purchase the Beats Studio Buds Plus is up to you. Consider the alternatives in a price range such as the Apple AirPods Pro 2 or Sony WF-1000XM4 and weigh their features against what you value most. Let us know in the comments whether or not you plan to purchase these earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on your way out, and we'll catch you in the next one.